What's up everyone, I'm Max Dalton, and in this video I'll show you how to change an Apple AirTag battery. Apple's AirTags are a great option for tracking items you don't want to lose. However, if you let the battery go empty, it won't be able to return a signal when you need it. As a result, it's a good idea to plan to change the CR2032 battery in your Apple AirTag roughly every 11 months to make sure the battery has plenty of juice when you need it. If you want to make sure you've got some spare batteries on hand, or you just want to make sure you get the right type of battery, I'll include a link you can use to purchase those batteries in the description. Now let's walk through the steps to replace the battery in your Apple AirTag. Step 1. Position the AirTag so the silver side with the Apple logo is facing you. Step 2. Pick the AirTag up and position 2 fingers and your thumb under the AirTag so they form a virtual triangle. Step 3. Now take 2 fingers on your other hand, push down on the silver plate, and then turn left or counterclockwise until you feel the silver plate become loose. Step 4. Remove the silver plate from the rest of the AirTag. You'll see your battery sitting on the inside. Step 5. Remove the current battery and then put a new CR2032 battery in, making sure the positive side with the plus sign is facing up. You'll hear a chime sound letting you know when the battery is firmly seated. Step 6. Replace the silver plate on the other half of the AirTag, taking care to line the grooves on the AirTag up with the grooves around the battery bay. Step 7. Pick the Apple AirTag back up and position your fingers similarly to the way you did when you removed the silver plate. Step 8. Gently squeeze the 2 sides together and then turn the silver plate to the right or clockwise. The silver plate should not be loose, and you should see a slight gap between the silver plate and the AirTag all the way around the device. If there is any looseness or the gap is uneven, you'll need to remove the plate and try again. If everything looks good, you were successful in replacing your Apple AirTag battery. Let me know if this video helped you out in the comments below. If you liked what you saw here, click the video links on the right side of the screen to check out another video. Or click the logo on the left side of the screen to check out my tutorial website at www.maxdalton.how.